In 2015, I started as a training and development director. So my first challenge was to be able to establish a way to track the training. And by doing that, we went in and said, hey, I need to have an LMS.
Before we teamed up with Convergence, we were doing all of our record keeping manually. It was cumbersome and it was time consuming. And Convergence has helped us overcome those.
The system itself is designed to be so user-friendly. The support portal for Convergence training, it has been so well put together that if you have questions about how it works, the documentation is there.
There's so many reports to select from, and anything that I want. I haven't even gone through them all yet, but the reporting feature is amazing.
We are facing a few different challenges in our organization, mainly having an LMS system that we could actually believe in, put information into it, and know that it's going to come out and be true and factual and something that our management would approve of and like. We honestly didn't believe it was that easy and that simple, and working with it now, we do. We're very proud.
The Convergent training courses, what I like the most about it is the 3D. They allow the individual to also have an assessment, which is important for us to see if the knowledge sticks.
The 3D training that they have designed is of the highest quality in terms of the courses in the LMS. And it is so easy to work with from an administrative standpoint.
All the information that's in there is something that people can really grasp and understand, whether there's somebody that's a beginner or if it's somebody that's intermediate and have been going through the same type of situations, it still brings new information to them.
When we first started looking at it, we said, what are some of the ways that we can bring those incident rates down? And of course, one of the things that we looked at is how much training have we done with our people? We didn't have any way to be able to come up with compliance reports. So I looked at cost, I looked at availability of the content, I looked at a lot of different values and then sold that to the executive board to be able to say, this is what we need to do.
A huge part of our goals was to have our onboarding and our safety training all online and be able to have records to find reports on who's done this, and that's been amazing with Convergence.
Their content was just perfect for us. So we have put our entire onboarding for safety on Convergence, and that's really saved us quite a bit of time and really developed a consistency across the company of how we onboard new people in safety.
All the people at Convergence, especially when they know that I'm in an immediate need, are willing to get on the phone, fly out if they need to give us the training, and not only the sales support, but also the product support piece of it. It's been very good.
Convergence training has been probably one of the best customer experience interactions I've had. It's just been amazing support and always somebody there to answer our questions and teaching us, and all the information that we ever need is accessible and available, and they're nice about it too.
One of the values of our company is we are a high-performance company. And by that we mean we are eager, we are very proactive to meet our customers' needs. Everything operates on a pretty fast-paced system. Convergence helps us to keep that pace going and manage those systems.
If someone were to ask me why they should do business with Convergence training, I would definitely tell them to give somebody a call there. Everybody is genuine, everybody loves what they're doing, and they put their heart and soul into what they're doing with that company. And you might not believe it at first, but the more you speak with them, the more you'll understand.